Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Windows Mail and Calendar app freezes, crashes or not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing. Basically the Mail and Calendar app has been substituted, or I would say it has been degraded, and a better option has been brought forward, which is the new Outlook app. So if you search your Outlook in the Windows search bar, you'll find this Outlook app here, which is very different from the paid Outlook app. It's called Outlook for Windows, and when you open it, it works similar to the Mail and Calendar app, but is somewhat better. Okay, and it's smoother. So there is no reason to use the Mail and Calendar app because it has been degraded already. Now, if you still have it on your system, right click on the Start button, select Settings, click on Windows Update. Click on check for updates, install all the cumulative updates. Why? So that when you install these updates, they will automatically remove any redundant application from your computer and you can use the new Outlook app now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.